Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can power on or power off your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So to turn it on the side here is a power button. So you want to press and hold on this power button, press and hold. So hold for a few seconds until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. And just wait for a few seconds and the font will boot up. Okay, to switch off the device, you want to press on the side button and the volume down key. So press on both keys at the same time. Right here. Press and hold. And then you will see this power off menu. And then tap on power off button. Then tap on power off again to switch it off. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.